Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: What is public policy economics? Public policy economics is an essential field that examines the role of government in the economic sphere. Public policy economics investigates how government actions influence economic outcomes, which is critical for understanding how policy decisions impact societal welfare. It encompasses a range of activities, including taxation, government spending, and regulation, all of which are aimed at achieving desired economic objectives and addressing market failures. At its core, public policy economics is concerned with efficiency, equity, and the optimal allocation of resources. Governments intervene in the economy to correct market failures, such as externalities, public goods, and information asymmetries. Market failures occur when the free market, operating on its own, does not allocate resources efficiently. For example, pollution is a negative externality where the social costs are not reflected in the market price, leading to overproduction and harm to the environment. Governments can address this by imposing taxes or regulations to internalize these externalities, thus aligning private incentives with social welfare. Public goods are another area where government intervention is necessary. Public goods are non-excludable and non-rivalrous, meaning one person's consumption does not reduce the availability to others, and it is difficult to exclude anyone from using them. National defense and public parks are classic examples of public goods. The free market tends to underprovide public goods because individuals may not have the incentive to pay for something they can benefit from without directly contributing. Government provision and financing of public goods ensure that these services are available to all, thereby enhancing societal welfare. Information asymmetry is a situation where one party has more or better information than the other, leading to suboptimal market outcomes. For instance, in the healthcare market, patients may not have sufficient information about the quality of care or the necessity of certain treatments, leading to potential exploitation or suboptimal health outcomes. Government interventions, such as licensing requirements for healthcare providers and regulations on drug safety, aim to mitigate these asymmetries and protect consumers. In addition to correcting market failures, public policy economics also addresses issues of equity and distribution. Economic inequality can lead to social unrest and reduce the overall quality of life. Progressive taxation and social welfare programs are tools that governments use to redistribute income and reduce inequality. The progressive tax system, where higher-income individuals pay a larger percentage of their income in taxes, is designed to ensure a more equitable distribution of resources. Social welfare programs, such as unemployment benefits and food assistance, provide a safety net for the most vulnerable populations, thereby promoting social stability and cohesion. Government spending is a critical tool in public policy economics. Public investments in infrastructure, education, and healthcare can spur economic growth and improve the standard of living. For example, investment in public education enhances human capital, leading to a more skilled workforce and higher productivity. Similarly, public healthcare investments ensure a healthier population, which is essential for sustained economic growth. Moreover, during economic downturns, government spending can act as a stimulus to boost aggregate demand and mitigate the effects of recessions. Taxation is another vital aspect of public policy economics. Taxes are the primary source of revenue for governments and are necessary to fund public goods and services. However, taxation needs to be carefully designed to avoid distortions in economic behavior. High taxes can discourage investment and work effort, while low taxes may not generate sufficient revenue for essential public services. The challenge for policymakers is to design a tax system that balances efficiency and equity, ensuring sufficient revenue generation without hampering economic growth. Regulation is also a key component of public policy economics. Governments regulate industries to protect consumers, ensure fair competition, and prevent monopolies. For instance, antitrust laws prevent firms from engaging in anti-competitive practices that can harm consumers and stifle innovation. Environmental regulations are designed to protect natural resources and public health by limiting pollution and promoting sustainable practices. Effective regulation requires a careful balance to avoid excessive bureaucracy that can stifle economic activity while ensuring adequate protection for consumers and the environment. Public policy economics is not without its challenges. Policymakers must navigate complex trade-offs and often face political constraints. For example, increasing taxes to fund public services may be economically justified but politically unpopular. Similarly, reducing government spending to balance the budget may be necessary but can lead to short-term economic pain and social discontent. Effective public policy requires a deep understanding of economic principles, as well as the ability to analyze and anticipate the broader social and political implications of economic decisions. The role of government in the economy has evolved over time, influenced by various economic theories and historical events. The Great Depression of the 1930s, for example, highlighted the limitations of laissez-faire economics and led to increased government intervention in the economy. The post-World War II period saw the rise of the welfare state and the expansion of social safety nets. More recently, the 2008 financial crisis underscored the importance of regulatory oversight in preventing economic instability. These historical events demonstrate the dynamic nature of public policy economics and the need for continuous adaptation to changing economic conditions. In conclusion, public policy economics plays a crucial role in shaping economic outcomes and societal welfare. By addressing market failures, promoting equity, and designing effective tax and spending policies, governments can enhance economic efficiency and improve the quality of life for their citizens. The field requires a careful balance of economic principles, political considerations, and ethical values to navigate the complexities of modern economies. As the global economy continues to evolve, the importance of sound public policy economics will only grow, making it an essential area of study and practice for future policymakers and economists. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.